Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a sensory-ready environment and a brief ritual to shift modes. Turn off notifications and set a 25-45-minute timer. You want sustained attention but not fatigue. Gather a sketchbook, colored pens, clay, or any tactile object you prefer. These materials react to intuition. Start with a 5-minute warm-up. Free draw, hum a melody, or move your shoulders. Once done, your brain is free from analytic grips and primed to notice patterns, colors, shapes, and feeling-based ideas. Now you move into active right brain practice by creating low-risk constraints that coax novelty. Use associative prompts, pair a random word with an image, and chase the connection. This forces your mind to form unusual links. Alternate modalities. Draw for 7 minutes, then sculpt or voice record impressions for 5. Switching channels engages different right brain circuits. Make specific limits, like a 3-color palette or a 10-minute deadline, because boundaries paradoxically increase creative output and prevent left brain overanalysis. Finish by choosing one promising fragment and enlarging it deliberately. Layer color, texture, or sound to explore depth. You should explain why each addition matters, not just what you add. This connects feeling to form. Reflect briefly on how the piece made you feel and what unexpected associations surfaced. If you stall, change scale, speed, or introduce a random constraint like a new color or sound. That break in pattern often restarts right brain flow and reveals alternatives you didn't see before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.